ceiling fan across the land is working hard tonight, and we without lovers have just discovered we killed every drink in sight. Every bead of sweat falls, I'll bet, twice as hard tonight into the eyes of all those who lie under a ceiling fan tonight. Every crack in the wall that used to look small could swallow me whole tonight, and the geckos that stick themselves to those bricks are dragons tonight. The blades spinning above chop up songs about love that the radio sprays through the room, and the pieces fall clear into the deep of my ear and settle like dust on the moon tonight. And the opening scene of Apocalypse Now comes to mind as the clock hits midnight. There's heat in the air, but there's a chill in the glare of a yellow bud-covered porch light. And sleep avoids people like imps avoid steeples, and the clock ticks its way toward dawn, moving as slowly as spilled treacle. A stray hunts its prey on the lawn tonight. Every ceiling fan across the land is working hard tonight, and we without lovers have just discovered we killed every drink in sight. Every bead of sweat falls, I'll bet, twice as hard tonight into the